Hello, very beautiful, beloved soul friends. Thanks so much for stopping by for this Conversations with Kristin, that beautiful time of your day where you explore inner workings of the unconscious mind. So today I just have a brief little tip for you guys, something you can play with while you eat. And there's two specific benefits to this practice. The first is that it actually allows you to taste your food better. And the second is that it actually helps to regulate your nervous systems. And so if you struggle with chronic anxiety or traumatic stress or anything, like just feeling stressed out and not fully in the present moment, this is a great little tip for you guys. Okay, you ready for this? Smell your food. 80% of our taste actually comes from our sense of smell. And so when we pause and take time to smell our food before we eat it, it actually helps our brain have more ability to produce the sensations of taste in association with the food. A big part of our sense of taste actually comes from our sense of smell. So when we smell our food, we can taste it better. Okay, so if you want to taste your food more, give it a little sniff before you take each bite. Okay, the second benefit to this practice is that it helps to regulate your nervous system. When you have a sense of smell, when your body is preparing to consume food, when you have that experience of your body preparing to consume food. So if you smell food and you're like, that smells yummy. Ooh, I got a little bit of an appetite now. When that happens, your body is preparing to rest and digest, which reduces stress stuff that's going on and the hormones and the nervous systems and all this sort of stuff. Your body cannot digest food if it's stressed out. Okay, so whether it's a dorsal collapse or a sympathetic dysregulation, your body cannot digest food if it's in a state of stress. And so preparing your body to digest food helps reduce the stress. When your body goes into a state of preparing to digest food, all of the stress is calmed. And so when you take time to smell your food, it helps your body prepare to consume food, all the processes that are required to consume food, including digestion, and so it helps to reduce internal stress. So when you take time to just kind of sit and be with your food and keep smelling it until you actually are present with the experience of smelling it, you're doing your body a lot of good. Okay, just want to give you guys a little healing journey trick. Play with it, explore it, see how good you can feel just giving your food a sniff. Thanks so much for stopping by, soul friends. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day.